while this meditation is a vigil for the thousands who were affected by the catastrophic Hurricane Helene in September 2024. It applies equally to the victims of any natural disaster. No matter where you live on the planet today, extreme natural disasters have become a way of life. Fires, tornadoes, earthquakes, floods, tsunamis, and typhoons are occurring with much greater frequency and intensity. When they strike, they create a devastating toll on every person in their path. Directly or indirectly, whether a casualty or unharmed, no one is immune from the effects. We're dealt severe psychic blows to our sense of self and security. The immediate aftermath is a mix of shock, confusion, grief, and fear as individuals grapple with the losses of loved ones, homes, and what was the normalcy of their communities. They're experiencing physical anxiety and psychological trauma akin to PTSD. Many will have long-term emotional scars, and for those who, by whatever miracle, were untouched, there's a sense of why was I saved? It's called survivor's guilt. Replays of videos and images of any disaster also leave a profound imprint on those not directly affected. People who only saw the ravages of Hurricane Helene are suffering too. Though they were spared the actual destruction, they're still going through an emotional roller coaster, leaving them exhausted and depleted. That anxiety and helpless feelings makes them want to hide away from what they're seeing and feeling. Survivors of any disaster respect the power of the elemental forces of nature, but our species is empathic, and we share in the emotions of the extended collective community. We remember and honor the stories of the ones lost. We salute the responders who accept great personal risk to save lives and restore normalcy. We honor the unsung heroes who brave raging rivers and fires to come to the aid of neighbors and strangers. With so many in psychic pain right now, we offer this meditation in the hope that it may help restore balance and calm to anyone suffering from disaster consciousness. Thank you, Jo, for that wonderful introduction. The purpose of this meditation is to create a space within you in which comfort, healing, and hope may flourish. We will do this in a series of steps that first recognizes our humanness through our bodies. The next step involves acknowledging our feelings, both positive and negative. Third, we must come to understand the nature of mind and use the breath to direct mind in helpful ways. And finally, we will release false beliefs and embrace the truth of our being. So please close your eyes and simply breathe. Breathe in and out. This is your natural breath. And now we recognize that we have a body. Breathing in, I am mindful of this body. Breathing out, I am familiar with this body. Breathing in, I follow the essence of my breath into my center. Breathing out, I follow its expansion. Breathing in, I am aware this body now holds my essence. Breathing out, I am aware of its coming and going. Breathing in, I allow breath to calm this body. Breathing out, I release that which troubles me. And now we acknowledge the feelings that bubble up inside us. The Buddha was very clear about how to engage with feelings. We must first create a safe place of innate joy and the possibility of happiness before getting in touch with a feeling of pain. That way the pain does not overwhelm us. Breathing in, I recognize feelings are a part of this earthly journey. Breathing out, I welcome the feeling of joy. Breathing in, I remember that I have had many happy thoughts. Breathing out, I invite happy feelings to come into me. Breathing in, I am aware of painful feelings also. Breathing out, I acknowledge these feelings. Breathing in, I invite the pain to find peace. Breathing out, I comfort the painful feelings with calm. And now we understand the nature of mind. Breathing in, I am aware that mind has created the world I live in. Breathing out, I acknowledge these mental formations. Breathing in, I understand mental formations are created by me. Breathing out, I acknowledge that I can choose which formations to hold. Breathing in, I concentrate on the mind. Breathing out, I tell the mind all is well. Breathing in, I accept the possibility that all shall be well. Breathing out, I know all is well. Here, we have come to the understanding that all we experience are ultimately objects of mind. Therefore, I now recognize the truth about them. Breathing in, I accept all things are created and therefore impermanent. Breathing out, I recognize they have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Breathing in, I know all things created by mind should be held lightly. Breathing out, I give them permission to go. Breathing in, I lightly hold the creations of mind. Breathing out, I neither cling to them nor do I hide from them. Breathing in, I now release that which mind has created. Breathing out, I touch the ultimate I am, in all, through all, and as all.
For all those who are now suffering due to loss, I send my love. For all those who struggle to understand, I send my light. For all those seeking a way forward, I ask for the most benevolent outcome. Namaste, dear ones. May you find peace.